how to make your own data sa Etisalat, guys. Kaya open natin yung Etisalat with EN. Open. Yan na siya, guys. Ito yung feature niya. Close lang natin yun. Tsaka ito. Close. Ayun, guys, meron akong credit na 8.35. Ngayon gagawa tayo ng data. Ito, guys, create your own personalized data. Open natin yan, guys. Guys, merong day, merong week, at saka month. Ang gagawin natin yung month. So, taray sa local MB. Pindutin natin yan. Nasa sa inyo, guys, kung magkano gusto nyo MB. Try natin yung 200 MB lang. Update. Tanggalin natin. Then 200 MB. Get price, ha? Tingnan natin kung magkano. Within 1 month yan, guys. Get price. So 9 dirham, guys, lang siya. Within 1 month. 200 MB. So liitan pa natin kasi yung load ko is 8 dirham lang. I-try natin 150. Get price. Yung 7 dirham, guys. So, pwede natin siyang i-proceed to buy. So, 150 MB within 1 month siya, guys. Pero, maliit lang yan siya. Panggamit nyo lang siya pang WhatsApp, pang Messenger. Tapos pag hindi nyo lang gagamitin, i-off nyo yung data nyo, guys. So proceed to buy. Ayan, guys, offer summary 7 dirham, validity 100 MB monthly. Ayan, guys, mayroong feedback. Nasa inyo kung mag-feedback kayo, ilagay natin 10 kasi okay naman siya. Then submit. Okay, guys, ayan na, guys. Later na yan. Your request have been received. Na-receive na, guys. Done. Ayan na siya, guys. Ayan na. Meron na tayong data. Check natin yung data natin. Ayan na, guys. 150 MB. Yan na siya, 150 MB. Yan, guys, 150 MB local data bundle. Auto renew siya within 1 month. Diba, guys? Ganun kasimple ang paano gumawa ng data. Nasa inyo kung magkano ang gusto nyong data. Tingnan natin yung message. Ayan na yung message, guys. Check lang natin yung message. Ayan na. You have successfully subscribed to make your own offer add-on with allowance of MB or data within daily cap of 50 for 7 dirham. This service will automatically renew in 30 days. O, diba? Diyon nakasimple. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Thank you.